In this video, I'm going to show you how to import texture in Blender and apply them to your 3D object. Even if you are new to Blender, this is the easiest way to get your object looking detailed and professional. First, let's start by opening Blender. So just open Blender on your device and select the object that you want to apply the texture to. For example, I have this simple cube, but the steps work for any 3D models in Blender. Just click on the object to select it. Now, on the right hand side of the screen, you will see a little red circle icon, and this is called the Material tab. Click on this icon to open the Material settings, and you will see a section labeled as Surface inside it. Just click on it. You will see a property labeled as Base Color. To apply a texture, just click on the small yellow circle next to a base color, and a small menu will pop up with multiple options. Since we want to import our own texture image, select the image texture under texture. So just search for image texture, and here it is. So just click on it, and once you click image texture, a new option will appear allowing you to open an image file. Just click on open, and it also has a little file explorer icon. So just click on open like so, and your file explorer will open. Now navigate to the location on your computer where your texture image is saved. In my case, I have downloaded a picture from Pixabay and saved it under picture, and it is named as Pixabay wooden crate. So just click on it and click on open image. You can also download any images that you want and add it in the Blender. So I'll just click on open image. If you don't see the texture immediately, don't worry. Blender has a different way of showing your 3D object in the viewport. In the top right of the 3D view, you will see options. Click on the third one from the left, which is going to be this, and it is called as viewport shading. This is your material preview mode. Now you can see your imported texture applied to your object in real time. Next, we need to make sure the texture maps correctly to your object. This is where UV mapping comes in. UV tells Blender how to wrap the 2D image around your 3D shape. Just press Tab key on your keyboard to enter the edit mode, and then press A to select all sides like so if it is not selected. Now go to the top menu and you will see new option, which is UV. Just click on UV, and from here select the option labeled as cube projection. So when you click on it, this method works well for similar object like cube because it projects your texture evenly on all sides. You will see your image now covers the entire object perfectly. You can also tweak the texture further. Make sure that your object is selected like so, and go to your surface, and you will see roughness. And as we are working with a wooden crate, we might want to increase our roughness like so, and adjusting this changes how shiny or matte your object looks. For example, in our case it was wooden, so it looks realistic with slightly higher roughness. And that's it. You have successfully imported your texture into Blender, applied it to your object, and adjusted the mapping so it just looks right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.